Welcome to this short video on the new updates to our Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D pipe analysis tools. If you've ever used Civil 3D to run interference checks, one of the issues that you have with that tool is you can only compare one network against another network, and it never ever gives you exact distance between the two pipes, and that's where our tool comes into it. So to demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. We're then going to go to the Analyze panel, and we're going to go to Utility Analysis, and we're going to select Create Utility Crossing Analysis. This dialog box comes up. We can specify the networks we want to compare. I want to compare all the networks, whether it be pressure or gravity. We're going to create a point in here, so I'm going to throw in a basic point, and I've got a label in here I'm going to use called pipe crossing. Okay? All I'm going to do is go OK. This is giving you a little error message. If you've got curves in your pressure pipes, we're basically just saying you might want to check the elevations here. So we're going to go OK. And now you can actually see these points have been created. Now I'm going to click on one, and I'll zoom in a second. But if I come over here in the Properties panel, down below you can see Kobi Utility Crossing. And now you'll see this information we're pushing into this point. So you got the bottom elevation, which is actually the top of the pipe of the bottom network. We've got the bottom material, the bottom network, the bottom size, and then so we got elevation difference, and then the same for the top elevation. If I zoom in here, you'll actually see I've put this in my label style, and you can see that this pipe network is crossing over the sanitary and the storm, and so it automatically picks those up. And these are just points, so you can actually move them around and you can see it. Now we've got two other tools that go with this. If I decide I want to update this and I need to move this pipe here, okay, so I'm going to grab this manhole. I'm just going to move it out here, all right? And so it doesn't update automatically. All we do is, I'll escape there. We're going to come back up here to the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. We're going to go to Utility Analysis, and we're going to go Update Utility Crossing. And now you'll see I don't have a crossing anymore here, and that point moved over. And the last command that we have in here is we can come back up here and we can also erase those crossings. So we do that and it takes all those out. This concludes this short video on utility analysis tools, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D 2027 release.